Guess what? I'm going to London. I leave tomorrow night. I booked this as a super last minute trip. Last week I popped online and bought the ticket for Wednesday, and now it's happening. It is 11:20 p.m. and I'm sitting here procrastinating, trying to finish up packing. And the later it gets, the slower I get, so I could be here all night. Oh, hello. And that's Oliver. So yes, I'm going to London. You might remember my friend Claire, who used to work with me at the same desk. She has moved on to another role, and it is based in London. And since she is going to have a temporary housing situation set up for the next month, she suggested that I come. We found a really great deal on tickets, and I booked it. I'm going. And it's perfect timing because I've been super antsy. I had so many trips last year for, photography gigs, for whatever, for vacation. And this year was looking real bleak in my opinion because I didn't have anywhere on my schedule, no trips, just even a road trip, that gets my juices going. So this came at a perfect time. I was getting very antsy to hop on a plane, see somewhere new. This isn't exactly new because I lived in London for a while, but still, I haven't been in years and years and years, and I'm so excited. I am going to meet up with a couple of people that I knew when I worked at Madame Tussauds back then, and haven't seen since that time in my life. So I am beyond thrilled, beyond thrilled, but also can't believe it's gonna happen. So anyways, I'm packing tonight, and I'm only taking a carry-on, my away suitcase that I've taken to Palm Springs, but this is my first international trip. So I'm gonna take the carry-on, this guy actually, and my carpet bag, my little Anne of Green Gables / Mary Poppins inspired bag. And I'm gonna see if I can pack a week's worth of clothing and everything I need in those 2 items. So wish me luck. I don't know what it is about the night before a trip, but I procrastinate to the very last in packing. Ooh, I need to pick out a purse. Found it. Okay. So this is going to be my travel bag. Other packing essentials. Oh yes, these, let me see, my Bose wireless headphones that I love, go with me on every trip. They were quite an investment, not something I would usually buy for myself, but I got a little bit of a bonus at work, and I wanted to use it on something that I wouldn't buy for myself, and this was that purchase. So I treat them very well. I love them dearly, and they're amazing. Cutout sound, and now I sound like a Bose spokesperson. So yes, these are going. Okay, this might be a little TMI, but for those of you that have stomach problems while you're traveling, maybe a little issue getting the good stuff out, I highly recommend packing these. Smooth Move Organic. TMI? I don't know if I'll post this, but maybe I will. Little pro tip for ya. I think that's all I have for now. I've been meaning to talk more about this year on the vlog. I have really been trying to focus 2018 on living a more minimalistic life, and this is part of it, is packing enough someone was outside. There is, but they're across the street. Anyways, packing everything I need in something small. Just doing more with less. That's it. That's, you know, nothing monumental, nothing magical, just trying to do more with less and taking a look at what I get, what I spend my money on, and why, need versus want. It's this whole thing I'm going through this year, so I've been meaning to talk more about it, but yeah, this is part of it, is the way I pack. And I'm excited to bring you guys along on this trip. Oh, and speaking of minimalism, I actually have a little thing on my wall that helps me and might help some of you who are thinking kind of the same thing. This is my reminder. How to start living a minimalistic life. Write down your goals. Step 1, I did it. My goals: a clutter-free living space, stop being overwhelmed because I have too much stuff, the needless kind, scale back enough that I can pack up and move without needing rented storage space. That's key. Those of you who know me know my desire to live abroad is quite deep. It's lessened as I've gotten older, but still, I want to still live a life whether I'm moving or not, but if the time came that I need to pick up and move, that it wouldn't be a burden. And then lastly, always have a clean space. Still working on that one. Number 2, declutter belongings, all of it. I did one big declutter beginning of this year, no, end of last year when we moved. So I still have a few to go, but you know, donate duplicates, own versatile clothing, and remember that experiences are greater than things, you guys. My ultimate goal is to learn to live with less and stop buying things I do not need. So, all that being said, I'm going to show you guys how I pack for this trip. Okay, let's show you the inside of my bag. This thing is packed to capacity. I'm still learning, guys. Learning how to be a minimalist packer. Bear with me. Okay. So for those of you who have never seen the inside of an away bag, or I don't know, maybe any other kind of hard luggage. So this side was designed to hold shoes and toiletries, but I'm going to put my toiletries in my soft carry-on. And then this can be for documents or for your laptop. And then underneath is your clothing. So let's take a little peek what's going on here. Okay, usually I try and stick with maybe 3 pairs of shoes, and this time I was able to squeeze a whole lot more. But as you can see, it's a small bag, but I was able to fit, how many is this? 4 pairs of shoes in here. I packed a lot. I think I'm gonna have to break this down another time, but I have a couple of packing cubes in here, which are these trusty guys, help divide up your clothes and pack them in a bit tighter. But I think I have a total of 6 or 7 outfits in here. Full outfits, as in 2 dresses and the rest are bottoms and tops. So, okay, so I unpacked everything so I could show you guys how I am packing for this trip. It's a little bit of a mess, but let's see. So, first up, this is the small cube I actually got from Away. You don't have to use Away products, but I just did because when I bought my bag, I saw the cubes and bought them. Anyways, I have fit 11 or 12 pair of underwear in this. So that is a 1 bit. I'm going to be taking too many pairs of pants, but let's see if I can make it work. Here's one, my stretchy high-waisted jeans, cozy pants, some wide-legged, what are these, tweed material pants, and then another pair of jeans. So 4 pairs of bottoms. This is a long turtleneck dress, sleeveless. Over here on the hanger I have a very wrinkled green silk dress with a, where is it, cream t-shirt, also silk underneath. I am praying that Claire has some sort of iron because I will You will not catch me wearing anything that looks like this. So there's that. Another 2 dresses. And I think that's it. Oh, bras. And you already saw my shoes. So let's see if I can make this work. Oh, I forgot. I have another cube. What is in here? Oh, all my tops, I believe. Oh, yes. Oh, that's right. I have, wowza, I have tank tops. I always pack extra of these just in case I need just a change of clothes. Many tank tops, a long sleeve shirt. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tank tops, a long sleeve shirt, another regular t-shirt, and a bodysuit in case we go out, and then a cardigan. I'm packing way more than I need, but this is still a lot less than I would usually pack, so it's progress. Okay, now I'm going to try and figure out a way to rig this camera so I can show you how I'm packing. Okay. Oh, I also forgot pajamas, pajama shirt, and a flannel, and 3 pair of socks, and leggings.